Morning. Morning today. A short video about cleaning the soldering iron tip, and you can see the soldering iron tip is coated with black layer of ash, and it's a dust, of course. And I tried lots of ways cleaning this, and there are lots of videos on YouTube too. And I can see the tip how it was earlier. The original tip, you can see the length of the original tip and see how it has gone down. That is due to the temperature. A copper tip, you can see the copper tip. This copper tip should not be used wherein you are going to make more than 10 watts. This soldering iron is about 50 to 60 watts, and I use it with minimum level, which uses about 12 watts. And what happens is it quickly eats the tip. Copper tips should not be used where you're going to have a soldering iron more than 10 watts. Avoid copper tip in soldering iron more than 10 watts. So if you're having a copper tip, what you have to do is, I tried tinning the tip. I tried tinning the tip too. I tried tinning the tip too. And as we can see lots of videos, what they do with tinning is they spin uh, our soldering wire around the tip with soldering paste, and then they switch on the soldering iron. This tip becomes tinned. That was good for 1 or 2 days. Then what happens is it goes black. The simplest way that I have identified is, take a knife before switching on the soldering iron. Take a knife, just clean the tip. I'll show you how the tip. Just clean the tip. I'm just cleaning the tip. This is the simplest way to do, and this is the best way in case you are going to use a copper tip. If you are going to use an alloy tip like this is an alloy tip. This is the original tip. This will last for 50-60 watts. Just few minutes, not even few minutes. A few moments will give you a good change in copper tip. This is the simplest way. What happens is, before next soldering, this goes black and you'll have to clean again. This is the best way to do. Have a nice time. And if you are going to go in for higher end soldering, where you are going to have higher watts, then copper with better mix is important. Else your tip will burn soon. Have a good day.